Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. Ever get those sudden, intense pizza cravings but don't have the time or energy to make dough from scratch? Well, you're in for a treat today because I am going to show you how to make the quickest, easiest, and most delicious instant bread pizza you've ever had. It's the perfect solution for a speedy snack, a fun kids meal, or even a last-minute party appetizer. Trust me, once you try this, it'll become your go-to recipe for a quick pizza fix. So grab your apron and let's get cooking. First things first, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need some slices of bread. I'm using regular white sandwich bread, but feel free to use brown bread, whole wheat, or even sourdough for a different flavor profile. The key is to use slices that are sturdy enough to hold all our yummy toppings. Next, you'll need some pizza sauce. You can use store-bought, or if you have a favorite homemade recipe, that works perfectly too. For our toppings, I've got a colorful mix of finely chopped onions for that sharp, savory bite. Some crunchy capsicum. I'm using green, but red or yellow would be great too. Some juicy, de-seeded tomatoes. And a handful of black olives for that classic briny flavor. And of course, the star of any pizza, cheese. I am using a generous amount of grated mozzarella because it melts beautifully and gives us that iconic cheese pull. If you like, you can mix in some cheddar or processed cheese for extra flavor. Finally, for seasoning, we'll need some oregano and chili flakes to bring it all together. That's it! See? Super simple. Now for the fun part, assembling our mini pizzas. Take your bread slices and lay them out on a board. Grab your pizza sauce and spread a nice, even layer over each slice. Don't be shy with the sauce. You want to cover the bread from edge to keep it from getting dry and to pack in as much flavor as possible. Once you have a good base of sauce, it's time to add the veggies. Sprinkle the chopped onions evenly across the slices, followed by the capsicum and then the tomatoes. I like to spread them out so you get a little bit of everything in each bite. Then scatter your black olives over the top. It already looks so vibrant and delicious, doesn't it? The next step is the most satisfying one, the cheese. Take your grated mozzarella and pile it on. I mean, really go for it. A thick, glorious blanket of cheese is what makes this bread pizza so irresistible. Make sure to cover all the toppings right up to the edges. Now for the finishing touch, let's sprinkle on our seasonings. A good dash of oregano for that authentic Italian aroma and some chili flakes for a little kick of heat. Adjust the amount of chili flakes to your liking. Add more if you like it spicy, or just a little for a subtle warmth. And just like that, our bread pizzas are prepped and ready for cooking. This whole process takes less than 5 minutes. It's the perfect activity to do with kids too. They'll love creating their own little pizzas. Alright, it's time to cook these beauties. We're going to use a tawa, or a flat skillet for this. You could use an oven, but the tawa method is faster and gives the bread an amazing crispy base. Place your tawa on the stove and turn the flame to the lowest possible setting. It's very important to keep the heat low to prevent the bread from burning before the cheese has a chance to melt. Now, carefully place your prepared bread slices onto the tawa. You might need to do this in batches depending on the size of your pan. Once they're on, cover the tawa with a lid. This is a crucial step because it traps the heat and steam, which helps the cheese melt perfectly into a gooey, molten layer. Let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the cheese is completely melted and bubbly. And if you lift a slice, the bottom is golden brown and perfectly crisp. The aroma filling your kitchen right now will be absolutely heavenly. And there you have it. Our instant bread pizzas are ready. Look at that melted cheese and the perfectly toasted base. Carefully transfer them to a plate. I love to serve them immediately while they're hot and the cheese is still stretchy. You can cut them into triangles or just serve them whole. Let's take a bite. Wow! The base is so crispy, the sauce is tangy. The veggies are tender crisp, and that cheesy topping is just pure perfection. It's everything you love about pizza, but ready in under 10 minutes. It's so good. You'll be making this again and again. It's a game changer for busy weeknights or when you just need a quick, satisfying meal. I hope you guys try this recipe out. If you do, let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. Thanks for watching, And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. See you in the next video.